What is quantum computing? Quantum computing is a revolutionary approach to computation. Unlike classical computers that use bits, either 0 or 1, quantum computers use qubits. A qubit can be 0, 1, or both at the same time, thanks to a principle called superposition. The magic of qubits. Superposition allows qubits to perform many calculations simultaneously. Another principle, called entanglement, lets qubits link together in such a way that changing one instantly affects the other, no matter the distance. Together, superposition and entanglement make quantum computers exponentially more powerful than classical machines for certain problems. Why quantum computing matters? Quantum computing could transform industries, from medicine, where it can help design new drugs, to finance, where it can optimize portfolios, and even cybersecurity by breaking or creating new forms of encryption. It holds the promise of solving complex problems that today's computers simply cannot handle. Challenges ahead. But quantum computing is still in its early stages. Qubits are fragile and easily disrupted by noise, making it difficult to build stable quantum machines. Researchers worldwide are working to overcome these challenges with better error correction and new hardware designs. In conclusion, quantum computing is not just another step in technology, it's a leap into a new era of possibility. As the field grows, it may unlock answers to questions we haven't even thought of yet.